Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add product tab slider section in Shopify. So to do this, first of all, I want to show you the result. Then I will show you the process and also discuss about the benefit, why you should use it, what is the difference between general Shopify free theme section and with this tab slide product section. So here you can see that I have already making a complete Shopify gardening store with horizon theme but including custom codes. So everything added with custom code. For example, by default in horizon theme you will not get any slider like this one, you will not get any sticky header, you will not get any mega menu. So I have already published a video one by one how to add mega menu, how to add slider, how to add sticky banner, everything, also how to add the promo section like this one. And today we are going to learn and watch the tab by collection. You see I have already added the shop by categories, tab section, new arrival, best seller, on sale. And the good news is that everything is customizable. You can update the tags, change the product column, row, everything. Right now I have added 2 row in 4 column and it looks very premium. Also you have to check that does it work or not. So I'm going to click on the add to cart added. You see it's working very smoothly, perfectly. Okay, so in general, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you are going to build your Shopify store with free theme like horizon theme, DOM theme, or any other free theme, there have more than 20 plus free theme and very popular free theme on Shopify theme directory. Like in previous, DOM theme was one of the most popular free theme. Right now horizon, then you will not get such picture. So that's why I'm as a Shopify developer, my goal is to make Shopify journey smooth and make your professional store to grow your business and rank it organically on the search result. And that's why I'm working to create content like this one. First of all, I find the issue or find the benefit that require any Shopify store. For example, in general, in commonly you will not get any tab based featured section on Shopify. I added. Also you will not get any promo section like this one. It's also slide on mobile. Also for example this one, the mega menu, I'm actually working one by one and already published more than 1000 video in my YouTube channel relevant Shopify. So now let's go back the customize section. So here is the admin panel, then online store, then you see here's the latest horizon theme. I'm going to the theme edit section, and here is the product tab slider. You see here is the product tab slider. When I click on the product tab slider, then you will see the all the function. For example, our collection, I'm going to change is best collection or all collection, anything as you like. So that's when everything is customizable, our collection. Then you can add or upgrade the heading, shop by category, shop by collection as you like. Then you can also subheading. This is subheading. You see there I can add subheading or paragraph as I like. And then the layout option, column on desktop, we can select the column on desktop. For example 2 column, 3 column, even 5 column as we like. You see here is the 5 column. Max product we can set as we select 5 column, then we set 10, or we have to add more product in here. as a demo store, I don't have added much product, so I keep it as it like 4 column and max product 8. Okay, perfect. Then image ratio, you can select the image ratio, make it square, landscape, you see, landscape, tall partial, you see, and partial. So also you can select the gap between cart, compact, you see, you can select multiple style from the theme customize section. Then tab style, tab appearance, here is the tab appearance, underline, fill, you see, but in underline it looks good from my sense. Then cart, product cart, show sales new sold out base, you see, new, show rating, we can add rating, show product vendor, if you want we can show product vendor in here, you see, here is the product vendor. I'm going to remove product vendor. Okay, show second image on hover, if we have add any second image then it will be show on hover, but as a under development project I don't have added the hover or second image in here. Then enable quick add to cart, we have enabled it, quick add to cart button, you see, here is the quick add to cart. Okay, then color, we can control the color, accent color, text color, section background color, cart background color, cart corner radius, we can add cart corner radius, right now 10, we can change it, you see, 10. Then spacing, padding top, padding bottom, we can add padding top and bottom. So everything customizable as your requirement or how much as a Shopify store owner want to control or customize without coding skill, without hiring any developer. Okay, so this is the general tab slider section. If I go to the responsive, then you see it's fully slide, you see, this is very amazing. Okay, then product tab, I'm going to show you individual tab. Here is the product tab. In the product tab, tab level, new arrival, you see, new arrival. Then tab icon, we can add tab icon in here. For example, here is the tab icon, tab badge, new. Then product source, from collection or manually pick, I select the category for automatically source the product. For manual, you can select the manual product from here. Here is the top 10 product. Also view all button, view all in new arrival, you see, view all in new arrival. If you add the product link in here, then it will be available or visible, you see, view all in new arrival. So very easy and simple. Product tab, here is the another tab, collection, best seller, product tab, on sales. So I hope you understand how much customizable option I have added on this product tab slider, and it's fully responsive, mobile friendly, because more than 50% customers of Shopify store come from mobiles. That's why it's very important for adding mobile featured or capable with mobile. That is very important feature. So now I want to share the benefit why every Shopify store should add this feature on their Shopify store, especially on the home page, because people don't like to scroll web page. They want to watch everything in a quick time. That's why we have to generate everything such a way so that they can check everything or watch everything without scrolling too much. For example, if just scroll first section, the slider, then promo banner, then here is the shop by category. If I don't add tab way or tab featured or section, then I have to create 3 section, and for every section I have to scroll down in the similar size of height. For example, for new arrival, this for new arrival I have to scroll more than like 700 plus. For best seller another 700 plus height I have to scroll down, then on sale I have to scroll down. So that's why it will be too long and your customer will feel boring. But if we present it like tab way or tab style, then they feel easy to check everything. In this section they can watch top 8 product in every collection. In 3 collection they can watch more than 20 plus product in a quick time. So that's why this is very important feature for any Shopify store. And actually in free theme you will not get such. Actually in free theme you will not get such featured on your Shopify theme. So that's why I built this premium section for every Shopify store owner, so that they can use it without purchasing any premium theme, because a premium theme price almost 400 USD 300 USD, and that's very huge for new entrepreneur, for new beginner, because they can invest such money on the marketing to bring traffic organically by doing SEO or run any ad campaigns, whatever they like. So this is the main reason I make it, and I believe it's very awesome and useful feature for any Shopify store. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. You will find all the communication link in the video description. So now the very important question, how you will get this ready tab slider or tab slider section, product section. This is fully ready for you with free installation. I will install it on your Shopify store. Just check out the link in the video description. You will find the code snippet link from where you can get it, and you will get my free installation service. So I hope I'm going to start working for you very soon. And if you need store design, customized development, even your store audit, if you have already any Shopify store to check it, or how much performance it's doing on SEO purpose, or what is the current situation, is there any error, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.